So as a business, you're probably making a ton of content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all these other platforms. And the one thing you'll notice, especially if you're posting a lot of short form content, is that videos with captions perform a lot better than videos that don't have captions. All right? This is extremely golden advice you're getting on this channel. Mr. Beast is probably watching and trying to steal my advice because it's so good. Videos that have captions are going to perform a lot better than videos without captions, especially if you're posting short form. The only problem is we don't want to do this ourselves because it's a very manual labor kind of a task, and we're better than that. We also don't want to pay someone else to do these captions for us because that's a waste of money. Fortunately, we can use AI models now that can do this kind of stuff for us. So the very first step, and I've got a little flowchart over here so you know it's professional as fuck. The very first thing you need to do is stop using AI for stupid things like summarizing emails or booking flights. Side note, I don't know why every single time we have a new AI assistant on the market, the most popular use case that they show is summarizing some email or booking some flight. I don't know anyone who's booking that many flights to need some sort of a AI assistant to do it for them. But I digress. The first step is to record the actual video, right? Assuming you've done that, the next thing you need to do is generate subtitles, right? And the easiest way to do that is to use something called Faster Whisper. Now, Faster Whisper is, like the name probably suggests, a faster implementation of OpenAI's Whisper models, right? Those are some AI models that can transcribe videos and audio, right? We're going to use this thing to generate subtitles with timestamps, and then we're going to burn them into the video using ffmpeg. ffmpeg is just a little software that can do all sorts of, video and audio kind of stuff, right? It's an extremely powerful piece of software, and you can use it to do all sorts of editing tasks on your videos and your audio, right? We can customize the style and the font we want to use, the font size, and all the other stuff in our captions, right? Super simple process, and if you want to implement this yourself, I've got a very detailed AI prompt in the description. You can go check that out, paste it into your favorite coding agent, and it will generate the entire thing for you. And I've also included my own custom Python script that does all of these captioning for you. And you can either just use that, or you can just feed that into your coding agent as well, just so it understands the entire process better. And then you can use that to generate your own custom auto captioning script. And if you need my help to help you implement this into your business, top link in the description, book a call, let's get in touch, let's get this. Anyway, hope that helps.